Hey, Judd Burden here from Action Seal. We are about to unbox the RY10 Elite. So the RY10 comes in two different boxes, as you can see. One of the boxes is quite heavy here, and you're gonna wanna be two people to lift this box just to make sure you don't hurt yourself, of course, when you're lifting, unless you've got big muscles like me. And you've got the second box over here, which has the handlebars and the components. So these two boxes include everything for your RY10. Let's go ahead and unbox it. You have a box cutter that you can use. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the tape along the top here. And we're gonna cut along the top of the box on the side here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually cut down the corners of the box so it comes out in four different panels so that you can actually rest your RY10 kettle, because it's quite heavy, right on the actual cardboard itself. You don't want to, damage hardwood floors, your tiling, or any kind of paint that you might be on, right? Perfect. So now we've got the foam. You can see all sides of the kettle have been protected very nicely. Move that out of the way. And let me tell you, this is the beginning of the great opportunity that you're going to have when you go to use this machine. You'll be able to seal cracks at walking speed. This is the kettle that will allow you to do that. And we'll go ahead and unbox all the components right here. All right, so we're on to box number 2, which is the handlebars and components. One of the things that I've noticed is that RynoWorx has done a phenomenal job with the boxing, the packing, all the seams are double taped. I mean, they've done a phenomenal job to be able to ship these units out to people and have them arrive in great condition. Again, I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the main kettle. I'm gonna cut this box down, open it up nicely to protect all the flooring that I'm working with, and I'll go ahead and remove the components, the foam, and any packing that has come. So let's go ahead and start to break this down here one step at a time. You can see this is a brand new RY10, and this unit has been packed so well. Every single box with components is all individual. You can see that they've got bubble wrapping to prevent any of the rods from hitting or clashing during shipments. They've done a really nice job. All right, so the box is completely opened up now, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at all of our parts. And nice thing is I've broken down the cardboard box so I can lay out all my stuff on it, all the components. All right, let's unbox all these small boxes. Now, I'm not a professional box cutter, so I gotta watch out for my fingers, Definitely you wanna be wearing gloves when you're doing this kind of stuff. So do that going forward. These are the Rhino lifts on the caster wheels here because we're unpacking an RY10 Elite right now. The RY10 Elite is the most advanced push melter in the marketplace. It's got digital display and everything. The RY10 Elite, the one step down from that is the RY10 Pro. It does not have the Rhino lift handles, and it doesn't have the digital display. We'll show you a little bit more about that in a couple minutes. All the bolts nicely numbered, all the part numbers from RynoWorx. They've done a really, really good job with all the packing. I'll just lay these over here. Let's go ahead and check out what we have in this box. See, I knew the manual was right there. Nice tucked away and safe and sound. This is the Tiger torch that comes with the RY10 Elite. And the Tiger torch is actually used to burn out vegetation in the cracks. So like if you have grass growing out of the cracks in a parking lot, you can actually use this torch to burn it out. It's also really good for burning any kind of crack sealer that might build up on your machine's wheels. Over time, you don't want those wheels to seize up. There's the manual agitation to keep your crack sealer nice and consistently melted with even mixture inside your kettle. We can go ahead and see here, there's an igniter, a flint igniter to light your torch. Got two more boxes right here. We're gonna go ahead and open these. I see another caster wheel with the Rhino lift right here. fantastic. You can tell too, all of the RynoWorx parts and the way that the design and build has gone, super high quality. So rest assured that you're gonna, always have your machine up and running, and this is your bread and butter. So you don't wanna experience a lot of downtime. When you're buying from RynoWorx, you won't experience downtime, that's for sure. They also have a bulletproof warranty. All right, we've got our 2 front caster wheels. Last box to open. Maybe there's some treasure in here. I don't know if there's treasure. Let's see. Let's check it out. This actually is a piece of treasure. You can make $1 a linear foot when you're pushing this machine. It only costs you 14 cents a linear foot when you're filling cracks. So it's like, 86 cents per linear foot. Every step that you take, 86 cents, 1,000 feet, and that's $860 in profit. Imagine that. It's pretty good stuff. All right, bubble wrap to the side. Look at this, the one and only Halo base burner. Every other melter in the industry generally is operating from a torch only. Takes so long to melt down. This enclosed burner system melts down crack sealer 50% faster and saves 50% more on propane costs compared to other standard caveman styled melters. These are the most advanced melters in the industry. You deserve them. That's why we built them just for you. All right, well, let's go ahead and summarize this unboxing video. I'll tell you, really well built, really well packaged. Boxes are all incredible quality. And yeah, everything should come safe and sound, no damage, ready to get to work to maximize your business. Let's move on to the assembly video. Click the link below in the comments. And remember, comment, like, subscribe, click the ringy bell so that you get notified every time we push out content. Thanks for tuning in.